This video tutorial I will explain AWS S3 Access Logs. AWS S3 Access Logs help to track and record every request made to your Amazon S3 bucket. This means you can see who accessed your bucket, what actions they performed, and when it happened. Why are S3 Access Logs important? Helps to identify any unauthorized access attempt. If something goes wrong, you can check the logs to understand what happened. Helps to track data usage and request patterns. Useful for companies needing to follow security rules. Now we will see how S3 access logs work. First, you need to turn on the access logging for your S3 bucket. AWS will store the logs in another S3 bucket of your choice. Each log file contains detailed information about the request. For example, request time, when the request was made, requester, who made the request, AWS account or IAM user or anonymous, operation, what action was performed, for example, get, put or delete, bucket name, which bucket was accessed, response code, if the request was successful or failed. Logs are stored in S3 bucket, so they take up space and may increase the cost. Logs may take a few minutes to appear after the request is made. You can use AWS Athena or AWS Cloud Trail or other log analysis tool to understand the data better. Here you can see example of S3 access log entry. From this log entry, we can understand request was made to example bucket and request came from the IP address 192.168.1.1. The request was to read the file sample file.txt. The request was successful because we got 200 response code. Now we will see how to enable S3 access logging. Here you can see AWS console, and here you can see two buckets are there. For this bucket, I am going to enable S3 access logging. Click on properties. Here you can see server access logging. Click on edit. Click on enable. Here you have to choose the destination bucket where logs will be stored. Save the changes, and the setting has been done. To test this, upload one file. Upload is successful. Here you can see the logs which are stored in logging bucket. These logs are appeared after 3 to 4 hours. So I have done several action in between so that you are seeing more logs. I will open one of these logs. Here you can see the log details. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.